Hey there, it's Britt with the Beach Show, and I am standing in this gorgeous gourmet kitchen of a hot new listing we have over at Whisper Dunes, a gorgeous neighborhood over on the west end of Panama City Beach. This home, oh my goodness, you guys, you have to see it to believe it. So much thought and care and design was put into the building of this home. It has all the extras like custom lighting, luxury flooring, granite countertops in the kitchen and bathroom, nice stainless steel appliances, a very spacious master bedroom suite on the first floor. And another thing that I love about this home is upstairs, there's this big, beautiful room that could be used as a bedroom or a media room like they're using. And if you're looking for a home that's the kind of place you want to have some friends over, you have found the spot. Gorgeous outdoor living, full summer kitchen, space for your hot tub, a nice small little relaxing pool, and it's all under this screened-in lanai. All the stuff that you want for the summertime. You absolutely have to check out this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's a little over 2,700 square feet. It is a great deal in that $500 price range, and we absolutely would love for you to give us a call.